Okay, so now I want to show you how to clean the headlights. What you would need is 1,000 grit paper, 2,000 grit paper, and 2,500, and some polish of your choice. I using the Mothers. I saw Sweet Project guys using that, and it seems like it's pretty good. I usually use a different polish, but I'm gonna try it out. And I got glass cleaner to clean the lens, and some wax and water for the wet sand. Okay, so let's first clean the lens. Some glass cleaner. Oh, was it dirty too? Okay, now that's clean. You're gonna start with the 1,000 grit. So I have a lot of clear coat that's peeling off right now as I'm sanding this down. So I'm gonna get all that off as much as I can. Because we're gonna put another clear coat on it. Just the wax. This is how it looked after the 1,000. You can go with 2,000, but they put a clear coat on this, and it's really hard to come off. I don't know. I probably need a 600, but I don't have one right now, so I'm just gonna go and do the 2,000 and see how it comes out. Okay, so we're gonna put some polish on this headlight, not too much, just enough to cover the headlight. Let it sit. And this is all by hand, guys. This is all by hand. No tools, no nothing. So I'll put that all over it. We're using the Mothers aluminum polish like Sweet Project Cars does. I just wanted to try it out, see how it was. So let's see. Let it sit for a little bit. Okay, let's wipe it down. I'm gonna buff it. Hand buff it as much as I can. Came out pretty good. Came out pretty good. Clear coat. Wipe it down. I must say, from how it was before, which was like this, and now it's like this. It's much better. That's good. Alright, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a good day, guys. Okay, so this is how she looks after I did another coat of the Mothers, and I put some wax on top of it to hold it down. It looks much clearer, much better. These lights are plastic carbonate, but it came out much better than how it was before anyway. Okay, happy holidays, guys. Happy New Year.